ಮಗುನ್ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದವಳು, ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದವಳಲ್ಲ ಅಫ್ಸಾನಗಳು. ಮಗುನ್ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದವಳು, ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದವಳಲ್ಲ ಅಫ್ಸಾನ ತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಗು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ತರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. She also let her appear before the IO and whatever investigation you want. Already the child is recovered. ಕಸ್ಟಡಿನ ಮತ್ ಇನ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಅವಳೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ? ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತ? ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವಳೇನೋ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ. ಇವಳು ಜಬೀನಾ ಯಾರು? ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಆಸಿಫು ಅಲ್ರಿ. ಇವ್ರು ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ? ಹೆಣ್ಮಗು ಆದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಇದೇ ಮೊದ್ಲು. ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೆ. ವೆರಿ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಾರ್ರಿ? ಈ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆನವ್ರು ಏನೋ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರ ಏನ್ರಿ? PP ಅವ್ರೆ, ವೆದರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್, ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್? ನರ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಳೇ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮಗು ಎಲ್ಲೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲ್ವಾ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ? ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. BCC ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹೋಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಹರ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹರ್ಡ್ Shri Vishnumurthy and learned HGP. Present petition is filed under section 439 CRPC with the following prayer. First, 3 facts of the case are as under. A complaint came to be lodged by the child protection officer based on an anonymous call received by the complainant that ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳ ಹೆಸರೇನು? That a lady delivered an unmarried lady delivered a female child in the Unity Healthcare Hospital, Davangere. Unity Healthcare Hospital, Davangere, and the parents of the said unmarried girl were not interested in the said child, and they contracted with the first petitioner herein for sale of the said girl, newly born child. Further, the complaint governments revealed that the first petitioner contacted the petitioners number 2 and 3 and sold the newly born child to the second and third petitioners. First, on such information, the police registered the case in crime number 31 of 2022. ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಏನೋ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದು. ಅವ್ನ್ ಕರ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕ ನೋಡಿ. ನಮ್ದೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ರಿ? 13th ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರದ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಅದ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನಾಯ್ತಮ್ಮ? 31 of 2022 on 14/2/2022 and investigated the matter. First, during the investigation, the child that was sold to petitioners number 2 and 3 by first petitioner was recovered from the custody of the second and third petitioner and was restored to the custody of the mother. First, thereafter, the petitioners were arrested by the Investigation agency and the child was required, adaitala restored antantala, and they were sent to judicial custody. First, Netpara, the attempt made by the petitioner to seek grant of bail was turned down by the learned district judge, in crime number by the special court in crime number 31 of 2022 by order dated 21st February 2022. First, thereafter petitioners are before this court. Netpara, Land Counsel for the petitioners Sri Vishnumurthy vehemently reiterating the bail grounds contended that the petitioners are innocent of the offences alleged against them and they have been falsely implicated in the case. First, he further contended that the first petitioner is the staff nurse in Unity Healthcare Hospital, Davangere, and petitioners number 2 and 3 are the residents of Davangere and Harihara, are residents of Harihara, and they were in need of a girl child. First, when the unmarried lady who delivered the female baby and the female baby was deserted, on humanitarian consideration, first petitioners contacted the second and third petitioners to take the custody of the newly born female child, and the same has been blown out of proportion by the child protection officer, and petitioners have been partially implicated in the case, and continuation of the petitioners is no longer necessary. Continuation of the petitioners in judicial custody is no longer necessary in view of the fact that child is already restored to the mother of the mother and thus sought for grant of bail. First, per controller and HCP opposes the bail petition. First, Netpara, perused the matter on record in view of the real contentions of the parties. First, Netpara, in the case on hand, the fact of an unmarried lady delivering the female child on 14/2/2022 is in Unity Healthcare Hospital, Davangere, is not in dispute. First, however, since the parents of the unmarried girl were not interested in the child, they decided to desert the child. First, at that juncture, the first petitioner, ಇದು ಮಗು 13 13 not 14 ಆಯ್ತಾ. At that juncture, first petitioner contacted the second and third petitioners and took the child from the custody of the unmarried lady and handed over to the petitioners number 2 and 3. First, the said aspect of the matter was brought to the notice of the child protection officer, Davangere, and he immediately lodged the complaint to the police. First, police plunged into the action and were able to restore the newly born child to the custody of the mother from the custody of petitioners number 2 and 3. First, in the investigation process, petitioners were arrested by the police and they were sent to judicial custody. First, taking note of the gravity of the offences alleged against the petitioners herein, and also the punishment prescribed, and taking note of the fact that the petitioners are no longer required for the investigation process, the continuation of the accused persons in the custody is no longer warranted. First, further, the apprehensions expressed by the prosecution can be met with by imposing suitable conditions. First, it is also to be noted that the child has been restored to the custody of the mother from the custody of petitioners number 2 and 3. Therefore, without expressing further opinion on the merits of the matter, following order is passed. First, Netpara, bail petition allowed. Aita, petitioners are directed to be enlarged on bail on taking the bond in a sum of ₹50,000 each, with 2 sureties for the like sum. Petitioner shall not directly or indirectly hamper the investigation process. Charge sheet hakidara, investigation process not hamper the prosecution witnesses. First, petitioner shall attend the court regularly. Petitioner shall mark their attendance before the investigation agency every third Sunday between 10 AM to 2 PM till the final report is filed. Petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the Davangere district without prior permission. First, either violation of any one of the conditions would entitle the prosecution to seek for cancellation of the bail ordered accordingly.